Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Tega. Remember, you can also call me Jennifer. So today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite tree chocolate cookie, and then I'm going to take you through the ingredients. Remember to subscribe and like this video. All the ingredients will be down in the description box below. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is my butter. That's my chocolate, unsweetened chocolate cookie chips, and this is my vanilla extract, and that's my brown sugar. I have my salt. I'll put everything down below. My baking soda. This is my egg yolk, and these are my eggs. My granulated sugar, white sugar, and that's my flour. Then you need a bowl with a filter, a sieve. So first you'd have to put your salt and your baking soda. Yeah, make sure your plates are dry before you do all this. Then you mix them thoroughly. Make sure the salt and the baking soda blend into the flour properly. Then our next step is we're going to sieve them, sieve the flour just to make it smooth. Just to get like a smooth cookie. I'm trying to do that. And now that I'm done, it's going to look like this. Then you are going to melt your butter. I use microwave. Some people use pot, but I like to use microwave. And now this is the melted butter. I'm going to put in the brown sugar now. Then I'm going to add the white granulated sugar. And I'll mix it. Guys, you want to mix this to a very consistent, yeah, consistency. Consistency. Wow. Well, yeah, you have to mix it this smooth. So yeah, this is what it's going to look like. We're going to pour in the egg yolk. Then we'll pour in the egg. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. Everybody can do this. If I can't do it, everybody can do it. You're going to add your vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla extract, you can also add syrup. Normally use syrup. So yeah, but when syrup, you have to reduce the quantity because it's kind of sweeter. So yes, I just try to mix that smoothly. Mix it, and mix it so that I will have a smooth mixture. Next, I'm going to pour this whole mixture into the flour. Normally, the way I enjoy doing it, I pour the flour into the mixture, but I didn't see a bigger bowl, so I had to do this, and it also came out nice. So yes, I'll pour everything in partly, then I'll mix. While I'm mixing, this is exactly what it's going to look like. It should not be all watery, please guys. Make sure you follow the ingredients and the servings down below in the description box, please. Now this is what it's going to look like after you mix it. It's going to look a little bit it's not going to be strong. So now you're going to put in your chocolate chips, and you're going to mix it. See how quick that is. Like this takes you like really. You mix it. Just take note that everything you are mixing would not get into the dough. And make sure you use a hard spoon. Now I'm using like a ice cream scoop. You can also use a tablespoon to do this, guys. Use a tablespoon and try and wash your hands. Make sure it's clean so that you could make it look a little bit round. It helps when it helps it look a little bit puffy when it comes out from the oven. So if it's round, so now you're going to try and separate it when you're putting it on your pan. Separate it, give it space, because when it's coming out from the oven, obviously it will be well spread like cookie. So I'm going to do this. Then I'll put it into the oven. And I already preheated my oven to like 325, and then preheated it for 325, 325, yes, 325. Then I'm gonna bake this cookie for 15 to 17 minutes. Voila, guys, it's out. So when it comes out, it still looks a little bit tender, soft. Make sure you leave it all to cool down for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. After 20 minutes, the cookie will be ready. Yeah, that's my cookie, guys. It's all ready. Oh goodness. Oh yes, this cookie was so delicious. See how soft. See how cute. See, guys, so quite easy. Everybody can do it. Make sure you try it, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye. Love you. Mwah, mwah.